G7A. Power supplies, schematic symbols. G7A01B. What is the function of a power supply bleeder resistor? A. It acts as a fuse for excess voltage. B. It discharges the filter capacitors when power is removed. C. It removes shock hazards from the induction coils. D. It eliminates ground loop current. G7A02C. Which of the following components are used in a power supply filter network? A. Diodes. B. Transformers and transducers. C. Capacitors and inductors. D. All these choices are correct. G7A03A. Which type of rectifier circuit uses two diodes and a center tap transformer? A. Full wave. B. Full wave bridge. C. Half wave. D. Synchronous. G7A04A. What is characteristic of a half-wave rectifier in a power supply? A. Only one diode is required. B. The ripple frequency is twice that of a full-wave rectifier. C. More current can be drawn from the half-wave rectifier. D. The output voltage is 2 times the peak input voltage. G7A05B. What portion of the AC cycle is converted to DC by a half-wave rectifier? A. 90 degrees. B. 180 degrees. C. 270 degrees. D. 360 degrees. G7A060. What portion of the AC cycle is converted to DC by a full-wave rectifier? A. 90 degrees. B. 180 degrees. C. 270 degrees. D. 360 degrees. G7A07A. What is the output waveform of an unfiltered full-wave rectifier connected to a resistive load? A. A series of DC pulses at twice the frequency of the AC input. B. A series of DC pulses at the same frequency as the AC input. C. A sine wave at half the frequency of the AC input. D. A steady DC voltage. G7A08C. Which of the following is characteristic of a switch-mode power supply as compared to a linear power supply? A. Faster switching time makes higher output voltage possible. B. Fewer circuit components are required. C. High-frequency operation allows the use of smaller components. D. Inherently more stable. G7A09C. Which symbol in figure G7? 1 represents a field effect transistor. A. Symbol 2. B. Symbol 5. C. Symbol 1. D. Symbol 4. G7A10D. Which symbol in figure G7? 1 represents a Zener diode. A. Symbol 4. B. Symbol 1. C. Symbol 11. D. Symbol 5. G7A11B. Which symbol in figure G7? 1 represents an NPN junction transistor. A. Symbol 1. B. Symbol 2. C. Symbol 7. D. Symbol 11. G7A12C. Which symbol in figure G7? 1 represents a solid core transformer. A. Symbol 4. B. Symbol 7. C. Symbol 6D. Symbol 1. G7A13A. Which symbol in figure G7? 1 represents a tapped inductor. A. Symbol 7. B. Symbol 11. C. Symbol 6. D. Symbol 1.